I wasn't sure what happened there, but we do it one more time. Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived and this is my bestie Monica. I am so excited to be glamming her up with a subtle, soft summer makeup look. And if you do enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. All right, that first step there, I just worked a nice light brown shade into her crease and then the outer V. Now with this shade, it's like an orangey brown. I'm just concentrating that in the outer V and just kind of, you know, really making sure that I blend it out. Now here I'm picking up a brighter orange matte shade and working that into that outer third as well, just really intensifying the color. Here I'm adding a jumbo pencil to about 2/3 of her lid and then packing on a gorgeous gold shimmery shadow. Jumping back to that orangey brown, I'm going to sloppily add it to the lower lash line and then focus the deeper orange to the outer third and then blend out the harsh edges. For the eyeliner, I kept it super simple. I used a really beautiful brown liquid liner from Tarte and then just kept the liner very close to the lash line. I avoided a hard contour for this look. Again, we want it soft and subtle, so just a light contour into the cheekbones and across the forehead into the temples. For the blush, I kept this a really light bubblegum pink and I used just a little bit right there on the apples of the cheeks, and it just gives a little more life, a little more pop, super fun. For her lashes, now you can just add a few coats of lashes and be done, be set, but Monica went ahead and put her lashes in my hands and we went a little crazy and we added some lashes. Now these are just accent lashes, so if you are like dreadfully afraid of false lashes or you just don't like them or you've never really used them before, I would try accent if you haven't already. They're super easy, they're just so quick to go on. I think they're actually even more comfortable than like all the way across your eye. I mean, it makes sense, right? And it just gives it a little extra fun. And then a quick coat to the bottom lashes. Now we're ready to highlight. So for her highlight, I went ahead and added it to the inner corner and then I sweeped it to the bottom lash line. We made sure we hit the brow bone, of course the bridge of the nose, the tip of the nose, a little extra shine to those cheekbones, and of course sexy time, the Cupid's bow. Now lips, I'm loving this gloss right now from Rachel's Brides and it is so beautiful, so we want to keep the lip really calm but glossy and fun, so that's what we use for today. A quick set, a quick fan, and this is the finished soft summer glam makeup look. Thank you so much for watching me glam up my bestie. I hope you guys give this look a try, and all of my makeup lovers and curl friends, I hope to see you next Monday. Take care.
Better safe than sorry.
And we're going.
Sexy time.
Oh, we're getting there, girl. It's like personal.
Sorry you're not inspiration enough, Monica. Here's some liquor.
Oh my God. Remember, Monica, it's all about blending.
It's all about blending. Do you ever forget to push record and like long times go by?
I have totally done that before.
Yes. I can say this person says
Have a little smile or something, like a head tilt. Not too crazy, okay? Drop one more time and back to the camera. Yeah, okay?
We weren't recording this whole time.
It would have been awesomely bad. It would have been like, no! I mean, it's like, we don't have to look at each other. Yeah.
And then,
yeah, we don't have to, like,
just don't make it long. Yeah.
Okay. And...